Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm really excited to introduce a very useful Unity tool called Fog of War Effect tool. This asset allows you to easily create the fog of war effect in your games, a feature that's often used in strategy, RPG, and exploration games to hide unexplored areas and reveal them as the player moves. With this plugin, you can achieve professional-looking results without writing any complex code. It works perfectly in both 2D and 3D projects, and it's fully compatible with URP and HDRP render pipelines. Here are some of its key features. 1. Easy integration with your existing projects. 2. Optimized performance with minimal impact on frame rate. 3. Customizable fog color, density, transparency, and movement direction. 4. Supports saving player movement trails. 5. Multiple characters can have their own vision range. 6. Obstacle-based visibility blocking for realistic exploration. 7. Adjustable field of view size. 8. Excellent documentation and customer support. The plugin is lightweight, stable, and perfect for both mobile and PC projects. Whether you're building a tower defense, real-time strategy, or open-world game, this tool can greatly enhance your gameplay experience and visual quality. I've included the purchase link in the video description and the pinned comment below. Feel free to check it out. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I'll continue sharing more powerful and interesting Unity tools and assets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.